Hi, would you like to level up your skill about AI and DevOps and ultimately landing in a better paid job? Subscribe to my community. I'm Luca Berton. I have 15 years of experience in the IT sector, working from every type of industry, from a small startup to a Fortune 500. And I have a lot of experience. I'm attending events, and every time I'm chatting with people, I'm sharing the feedback in my community and a lot of interesting news and promising technologies that came out on my radar. The AI is on the rise, but on the other hand, we are working a lot every day with technologies that are influencing like on-prem and cloud computing. So every time that I found something interesting, something that is really a lesson learned from my day-to-day, I'm sharing in my community. And as you can see, there are daily updates, and my bread and butter is Ansible, the IT infrastructure and configuration technology. I'm super proud, so every time I'm learning something, I'm sharing with you, my community. But this is not only me sharing stories, there is also the access to the classroom. All these courses are published on Udemy and they are pretty successful. There are more than 12,000 students actually that are learning from these courses and apply the knowledge in the day-to-day. I also give to everybody the access to a Q&A session, and you can take a look on how many members and have a leaderboard access. All in all, I think that is a good value for the money, and you can learn from everybody and share the best experience, because we are all working the same technology, all working the same world to make a better world altogether. Join me and see you inside.